Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we'll start the non-renewable resources that are coal, petroleum, natural gas, and minerals, metals. These are the non-renewable resources. And coal, natural gas, and petroleum are the fossil fuels. These are made from the when plants and animals die, they are decaying from they are buried under the ground and decaying it, and it makes further they are pressed it, and further they make a, after taking many years, they make a fossil fuel. Sorry. Then first one is the first non-renewable resources or sustainable resources are, the first one is coal. Which is the first one? Coal. See, coal is one of the most useful non-renewable natural resources. See this one? First line. Coal is one of the most useful non-renewable natural resources. In non-renewable natural resources are coal. Okay, it is used for many purposes like cooking, producing electricity, and for heating. See, this coal is used for, what are the uses of coal? It make a cooking. We use it for cooking and producing electricity and for heating. Heating के लिए पहले ट्रेन सारा कैसे जाता था? They use a coal. अभी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से, but in earlier days they use a what? Coal. So and for cooking, हम लोग कुकिंग के लिए भी यूज करता है. अभी सबका घर में गैस एंड नेचुरल गैस यूज करता है ना. एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड फॉर हीटिंग. It is used both in homes as well as industries. Coal is used in the homes, हम लोग का घर में भी यूज करता है, and in industries. Industries में भी यूज करता है. They make electricity from the coal. Okay. Machines and vehicles also run with the help of a coal. ഈ മെഷീൻസും vehicles be they run with the help of a coal. See, the next one is petroleum. This also a non-renewable resource. In exhaustible resources. Petroleum is used to form diesel and petrol, which are used to run cars, ships, and aeroplanes. See, petroleum is used to form diesel and petrol. है ना? It is a petroleum का जैसा नहीं है. We used as a diesel and petrol and a kerosene. Okay, these are the form of petroleum. Petroleum direct we cannot use it. We couldn't use it. They make it in the form of petrol, diesel, and kerosene. See, which are used to run cars, ship, and aeroplanes. We know that it is very rare natural resources, as not many countries in the world have a petroleum resource. सारा country में petroleum resource नहीं है. Okay, this is a very rare natural resources. The petroleum is very natural resources. So many countries are not having a petroleum resource. Some countries have a petroleum resource. See, petroleum is also known as liquid gold. Yes, the petroleum is also called a liquid gold. हम लोग को gold ज़्यादा, we know that the gold, but it is a solid form, है ना? But petroleum is also called a liquid gold. Clear? So everyone underline it, please. Bombay High in India is a petroleum reserve. हम लोग को reserve है. Petrol we have in India, we have a petroleum reserve. Which one? The Bombay High. Mumbai High is a petroleum reserve of ours in India. Okay. The next one is metals. Which is the next one? Metals. Metals is also non-renewable or exhaustible resources. See, like iron, bauxite, and copper are useful natural resources used to make many important objects of daily use. What are the metals? Say some metals. See, iron. Iron is a metal. Bauxite is a metal. Copper is a metal. Steel is a metal. Okay. So these metals also a non-renewable. एक बार use किया, ज़्यादा use किया, खत्म. Okay. So these are we use daily use. Means हम लोग को utensils. we use the utensils, they make from the metal, है ना. हम लोग को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का सारा ये सारा वो they use that metal, copper wire. Okay, so metals are also a important thing for us. See the conservation, see this one, Bombay High, see the picture here, it is some pictures are given. Write the names of the natural resources that are used to make the following things. Okay, you identify this one, what are the pictures are given, how it make, which metals they use it. Okay, they make a metals, which are the metals they use it. See the next one, conservation of natural resources. What is the meaning of conservation of natural resources? What is the meaning that हम लोग संभालना है, हम लोग प्रॉपरली संभाल के यूज करना. सी कैसे हम लोग कंसर्व करेगा. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस to use both renewable as well as not renewable natural resources carefully. Okay, हम लोग के ये सारे इतना मिलता है, मेरा घर में पैसा है, मैं इतना ये परचेज कर सकता है, नहीं होने से हम लोग को मार्केट में इतना मिलता है. नो, यू यूज केयरफुली. ओके, आप संभाल के यूज करना है ये सारा. क्लियर. नॉन रिन्यूएबल होने दे, रिन्यूएबल होने दे दो. हम लोग वेस्ट नहीं करना है. वी यूज केयरफुली. See, since non-renewable resources take a long time to form, we know that one time the petroleum or coal is ended, it takes a long time. It takes a millions of years. Okay, it renew होने के लिए टाइम ज़्यादा लगेगा. So, it is very important for us to preserve them. इसलिए हम लोगों को एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखा था ना टीवी में, वो आप लोग क्रॉसिंग करने के लिए एक जगह गया, उधर क्या करना है, गाड़ी ऑफ करके रखना. व्हाई वी स्विच ऑफ दैट वन, ऑफ करके रखा है, बिकॉज वी सेव द पेट्रोल. स्टार्ट करके वो ऐसे रनिंग कंडीशन में नहीं रखना, बिकॉज वी सेव एवरीथिंग. वी सेव द नेचुरल गैस होने दो, ये बाकी गैस होने दो, कुकिंग गैस होने दो, कुछ भी होने दो, ये ऑल थिंग्स वी यूज केयरफुली. वी कंसर्व दैट. ओके, एंड वी प्रिजर्व दैट. देयरफॉर पीपल हैव डेवलप्ड वेज वेयर सनलाइट. सो the people have developed where sunlight, water and wind are used in place of non-renewable sources to produce energy. इसलिए हम लोग especially in Gujarat, सारा से I think the most of the houses है solar energy panel. Okay, the people turn to use the natural resources. They make a natural energy. Then depend on the solar energy, wind energy and water energy. Everyone knows that the Sardar Sarovar Dam, है ना. What the function is that they make a electricity, they produce a electricity from the water, hydroelectricity. They produce the hydroelectricity from the water. Okay, and the solar energy, solar panel, we make a solar energy, and the windmill use it. The windmill make the windmill make the wind energy. Okay, so everyone now turn to the depend on the natural resources, and we make the energy. Clear? So these are called the alternative source of energy. ये हम लोग को पेट्रोलियम एंड डीजल गैस ये सबको डिपेंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी यूज द अदर वेज, वी यूज मेक द अदर एनर्जी. ओके, क्लियर. एवरीवन रीड दिस लेसन चैप्टर. ओके, दिस इज आवर सेकंड लास्ट chapter is this one. Everyone please read it. Everyone got the, I sent the notes. Please everyone write in your notebook. Everyone complete your notebook. Okay, you know that the 10 mark is a book completion. Next month we have a semester exam. You know that it is out of 100 mark. So please everyone complete this one. Okay, thank you.